ZenFone 7 real-life images and specs leaked ahead of official launch. Asus is scheduled to take the wraps off the much-awaited ZenFone 7 series in a couple of days. We already know that the device will arrive with its signature flip camera, the Snapdragon 865 SoC, and more. But, over the weekend, a handful of real-life images for the ZenFone 7 made their way online. They give us a close look at a familiar design and new hardware features. As you can see in the hands-on images here, ZenFone 7 will boast a design familiar to its predecessor. You have a full-screen bezel-less display on the front and a bright blue finish with the Asus branding on the rear. The flip camera mechanism is the same as last year's ZenFone 6, or the Asus 6Z in India. The camera module, however, is now bigger and includes 3 camera sensors as opposed to 2 sensors. Since there's no capacitive fingerprint sensor on the rear, there's now 2 possibilities. Either Asus has baked the fingerprint sensor on the edge and we cannot see it any of the leaks, or it's baked under the display. The latter would, however, make ZenFone 7 the first LCD display smartphone, rumored, with an in-display fingerprint sensor. ZenFone 7 leaked specs. Alongside the hands-on images of the ZenFone 7, an image of the retail box has also found its way online earlier today. It confirms some of the major specs and features that have leaked over the past couple of months. ZenFone 7, model number Asus_IO02D, will sport a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display. The most recent leak suggests that it will be an LCD display made by BOE, with only a 60Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, you will find the Snapdragon 865 chipset, clocked at up to 2.84 GHz, paired with at least 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. The highlight of the ZenFone 7 will again be its cameras, especially since they've been baked in a flip mechanism like last year. You will now find a 64MP primary sensor, a 12MP secondary, and a 38MP sensor in the flip camera module. There's no selfie camera module, as the rear one will flip open to provide you an equally powerful and amazing selfie experience. Finally, the retail box confirms that the battery carries the model number C11P1904. It is confirmed to be a 5,000 mAh battery pack that will charge over USB-C, according to the leaked charging adapter and cable in the image above. Asus ZenFone 7 and 7 Pro are scheduled for launch on 26th August, so there's only a couple of days to go until we learn the official details for these 2 smartphones.